Welcome to our YouTube tutorial where we'll dive into the exciting worlds of AI and show you how to create captivating talking avatars. Whether you're a talented content creator, an enthusiastic educator, or just someone intrigued by the possibilities of AI technology, this comprehensive step-by-step guide is tailor-made to empower you with the knowledge to bring your avatars to life. Get ready to unlock the true potential of AI and take your videos to the next level. So let's jump right in and get started on this incredible journey together.
Start your creative journey by creating a free account on Gencraft and experience the magic of AI art generation. Gencraft empowers you to unleash your imagination and create breathtaking artwork with the help of cutting-edge artificial intelligence technology. As a registered user, you can enjoy the freedom to generate up to 10 images per day at absolutely no cost. Prepare to be amazed as Gencraft harnesses the power of AI to revolutionize the way you create stunning pieces of art, opening up a world of limitless possibilities for your artistic expression. Join Gencraft today and embark on an extraordinary artistic adventure. After generating your AI image, simply download it. But the problem is, there may be a watermark. Don't worry, I will show you how to remove any unwanted object from images or videos. To remove any unwanted object from images, go to Anieraser and create a free account. Then, simply upload your images. Now, increase the brush size and select an unwanted area on the image or video. After that, click on Remove Unwanted Object and see the magic. Now, download your image. Enhance your videos with the incredible power of AI voiceovers by signing up for a free account on 11labs.io. By joining this cutting-edge platform, you'll gain access to a world of possibilities for your video projects. Elevate the quality of your content by generating realistic and captivating AI voices that seamlessly integrate with your visuals. The last step in our tutorial is to bring your avatar to life using the amazing capabilities of the DID website. Begin by creating a free account on d-id.com, unlocking the potential to create captivating talking images. Once registered, you can easily upload your avatar image along with the corresponding AI voice file that you generated earlier. Then, with eager anticipation, simply click on the Generate button. The DID website revolutionizes the way we interact with images by seamlessly merging them with AI-generated voices. Your avatar will come alive, speaking with the captivating voice you selected, creating a truly immersive and engaging experience for your audience. Whether you're a content creator, educator, or simply curious about AI technology, DID offers a user-friendly platform that brings your images to life in a way that was once unimaginable.
This is Demo Avatar Video by 5 Minutes. With I subscribe to my channel. Hope you like it. Thanks.